Here we will see conditional statements in JavaScript. JavaScript conditional statements allows user to execute specific block of code based on the condition. If the condition is true, a particular block of code is run. Otherwise, another block of code will execute based on the condition. There are several methods that can be used to perform conditional statements in JavaScript. First is if statement. The if statement is used to evaluate a particular condition. If the condition holds true, the associated code block is executed. General syntax is if, condition, and then block of code to be executed. For example, here we have assigned 4 to x, and if we give the condition x mod 2 equal to 0, it will print number is even. Since the condition is true, it will print number is even. Next is if else statement. An else block can be added to an if block or series of if else if block. The else block will be executed only if the condition fails. General syntax is if, condition, then block of code to be executed, else block of code to be executed. For example, here we assigned 4 to x, and if we check x mod 2 equal to 0, it will print number is even, else it will print number is odd. Since the first condition is true, it will print number is even. If we assign x equal to 5, it will print number is odd. Next is nested if block. The if else if statement in JavaScript allows handling multiple possible conditions and gives the output to evaluate more than 2 options based on whether the conditions are true or false. General syntax is if, condition, then block of statement, else if, condition, block of statements, and default else for block of statements. For example, here we assign 4 to x, and if we check x greater than 0, it will print number is positive, else if x less than 0, it will print number is negative, and else it will print number is 0. Since the first condition is true, it will print number is positive. Next is switch statement. To deal with many conditions, the switch statement may be more preferred option. General syntax is switch key and then case value 1, case value 2 and default. For every case there will be code and then break statement is written. For example, here we have assigned 3 to day and in switch statement we will check day value. So if case is 1, it will print 1, case is 2, it will print 2, case is 3, it will print 3, and default will be invalid number. Since the third condition is true, it will print 3.